How does one spacecraft image an asteroid from as far away as 1 million kilometers, or as close as just a few meters? Accomplishing this task is the job of OCAMS, the OSIRIS-REx Camera Suite. NASA's OSIRIS-REx mission is headed to near-Earth asteroid Bennu, a remnant from the dawn of the solar system. OCAMS sits on the OSIRIS-REx instrument deck, which will face Bennu during orbit. It consists of 3 cameras built by the University of Arizona, each designed to provide the mission with a unique perspective. PolyCam is a reflecting telescope with an 8-inch mirror and a narrow field of view, which will acquire both long-range and close-up images of Bennu. MapCam is a medium-angle camera, which will map Bennu in color. SamCam is a wide-angle camera that will record the most crucial moment of the OSIRIS-REx mission. OSIRIS-REx will spend nearly 2 years traveling from Earth before approaching Bennu in 2018. PolyCam will be the first instrument to spot the asteroid as a faint speck of light up to 2 million kilometers away. As OSIRIS-REx approaches Bennu, it will switch from navigating by using radar ranging from the Earth to using OCAMS to refine the asteroid's position and to ensure a smooth transition to proximity operations. Over the next year, the OCAMS suite will scan Bennu at various resolutions, providing global maps and close-up images. MapCam will use its color filters for spectral imaging, revealing clues about the asteroid's composition through subtle changes in its color and brightness. In 2019, OSIRIS-REx will make a series of close passes of Bennu, allowing PolyCam to image portions of the surface with sub-centimeter resolution. These images will prepare OSIRIS-REx for its most important task, which will be documented by the wide-angle SamCam. After more than a year in orbit, OSIRIS-REx will slowly approach Bennu's surface to grab a sample of the asteroid. SamCam will capture the event in a series of rapid-fire images. This visual record will help scientists understand the context of the returned material. In 2023, OSIRIS-REx will deliver its sample of Bennu to Earth, where scientists will study the sample for decades to come. OSIRIS-REx is investigating asteroid Bennu, and OCAMS will provide the first close-up look at this ancient remnant of the solar system, revealing clues to Bennu's history and our own.